Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two powerful all-in-one workspace tools, Notion and Anytype, to help you figure out which one fits your productivity style best in 2025. Let's start with Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, organize, and collaborate. It supports pages, databases, calendars, and tasks all in one place. Its built-in AI can help you brainstorm ideas, draft content, or summarize notes instantly. Notion shines in collaboration. It's perfect for teams and individuals who want everything connected in the cloud. However, it depends on internet access and stores data online, which might be a concern for privacy-focused users. Now let's look at Anytype. Anytype is a privacy-first, offline-capable workspace that gives you full ownership of your data. It works like a personal internet, letting you build and link notes, tasks, and projects locally on your device. It's fast, decentralized, and even works without an internet connection. While it's still newer and has fewer integrations than Notion, it's ideal if you value privacy and control over your data. So, which is better? If you want seamless collaboration, powerful features, and cloud syncing, Notion is the way to go. But if you care more about privacy, offline access, and full data ownership, Anytype is the stronger choice. In short, Notion is best for connected teamwork, while Anytype is best for private, local productivity. Choose the one that fits how you work best. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.